Objection
Like
403.
Weinstein said.
Sustained.
I'll do it.
Your Honor, may I ask?
No, I mean, I don't know. You may ask a different question.
And did you tell the police that if gang shot at Landrum where Tay stays?
I told you already. I don't remember.
Was Summer there when all of that happened?
I already told you I was going to get her, so she had to be there.
She had to be there at Landrum?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know whether or not Summer was going to Perry Homes that night?
I don't know.
Did you tell the police that Summer was going to Perry Homes that night?
I don't know.
I don't know. I gotta get that. I gotta clip that as a sound bite. I don't know. Y'all remind me to clip this.
Demekion, Tay, Shannon, and Traydon shoot up Perry Homes that night?
No, I did.
Okay. Did you tell the police when you first went in that Demekion, Tay, Shannon, and Traydon shot up Perry Homes that night?
I told you I was trying to take everything off of Moonton, so I was just lying.
This is what
All
we
right.
talked about.
And did you tell the police that Demekion gave you only the names himself, Tay, Shannon, and Traydon, and he didn't really say anything about Moonton?
See, I told you I was trying to free Moonton.
So is that a yes? You did say that?
I don't know.
Okay. Did you tell the police that they were trying to figure out where Moonton was?
I don't know.
Did you tell the police because that inn ain't got no car?
I don't know.
Okay. Did you tell the police how close you and Moonton were?
I don't know.
You don't remember?
Did you tell the police that you have been knowing Moonton all your life?
Objection 403.
Sustained.
Is your loyalty, did you have more loyalty to Moonton than anybody else within your circle of friends that night?
I ain't got no loyalty to nobody.
Did you tell the police that you had more loyalty to Moonton than any of the other names we just mentioned?
I don't know.
Okay. And in fairness, did you tell the police that you have no loyalty to anybody?
I don't know.
Did you tell the police that Moonton has no loyalty for you?
Objection 403.
Sustained.
Did you believe that Moonton had loyalty for you on that night?
I don't know.
You don't remember?
Do you remember the last time that you had talked to Moonton before you went in to speak with police on August 5th, 2015?
Stick to the script.
I don't know.
Good job.
Did you tell the police that you had not talked to him lately?
Objection
I see you, Grace.
403.
Your Honor,
Yes.
given what has already been said and what we believe will come out, we believe that it is not in any way a waste of time to show the jury certain things that this witness said about Moonton and the last time that he talked to him. And in order for us to allow them to be able to consider certain things substantive evidence, they have to hear what he said, and I have to confront him with it.
This is not even what we talked about on the break, but sustained.
Your Honor,
Yikes.
may I ask what it is that I should not.
Oh, this is about to get ugly. Oh, this is about to get ugly, y'all. Judge Whitaker has had enough. She's pulling the Judge Glanville, but in the opposite order. I'm surprised she's saying this in front of the jury and not telling them to approach. This is bad. She just said, ooh-wee. I'm going to let it play out, but Judge Whitaker chastising Miss Love in front of the jury is not a great look.
And I have to confront him with it.
This is not even what we talked about on the break, but sustained.
Yikes.
Your Honor, may I ask what it is that I should not do in terms of?
If you want to come up here to the bench, you can.
Okay.
Jesus. Wow. Judge Whitaker showing her true colors. Is she on the defense's team? Y'all, I am shocked that she said that in front of the jury. She said, this is not what we talked about during the break. Oh, we about to go to lunch, I think. Judge Whitaker is done.
May I continue, Your Honor?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, and one of our amazing resident attorneys in here, Mr. Joshua Van Lawn, is a great question. He says, what kind of prosecutor asked the judge for legal advice in front of a jury? It's embarrassing, man. And then she's up here having to get chastised by the judge. Kel Bell, another amazing attorney in here, says she looks like a kid getting help from her teacher. Oh, man. This is not what we talked about during the break. Now I'm going to sustain this. I want you to try again, okay? I'm going to try this one more time. And you're going to get another 5-minute break and timeout. And you can filibuster like Mr. Weinstein said. Okay, let's get it together.
Mr. Zachary, while you were locked up for what you say you're on probation now, so that 428 incident, did Monkton let you know that
Man,
Demikion had said, I'm sorry, did Demikion tell you that the police had tricked him?
He didn't tell me that when he was locked up. He told me that before we got locked up. He told me that before we got locked up.
Okay. And do you remember which time frame it was?
He told me that when we were locked up too. Yeah, he did tell me that when we were locked up.
Okay. Was it when you locked up for this?
Yes.
Okay. Was Demikion locked up for the same thing?
Yes.
All right. Now,
times.
what all were y'all in the same pod and same cell and same something else?
I don't remember.
How did you all start talking about this?
Objection, relevance.
Sustained.
Did you ask him what he told the police?
I told you he had already been told me. I've been told you that.
What do you mean?
He had already told me before we got locked up.
Okay.
Well, when I got locked up for it, he told me again.
Okay, so before you went in, Demikion told you what he told the police?
Yes, I've been told you that.
All right. And was this the time you said that he told you when you picked him up on your bike?
On my bike.
Yes,
I
is
don't
it?
remember.
Okay.
I don't remember.
Now, did Detective Gaither tell you effect on the listener? It does. And we're not offering for the truth of the matter asserted, and it's not Detective Gaither giving a testimonial statement. It's Detective Gaither asking the witness a question.
Oh,
Did
Yeah,
Detective
he picked him up on the
Gaither
BMX. He
tell
said.
you that she had some phone records?
I don't remember.
You said you knew that
Oh,
the
let me-
police had phone records. Did you know that they had your phone records?
I I just told you they had already told my lawyer when I was in preliminary hearing.
I'm asking you whether you knew the police had your phone records.
Yes.
Okay.
Lord.
Did you tell them that you knew they had your phone records?
I don't know.
Sustained.
Did you tell the police that the number that they had was not your phone number? Absolutely relevant, Your Honor, because of what?
Overruled.
Probably did.
Okay. Did the police attempt to end the interview after telling you how they got your phone records and you insisted that wasn't your number?
I don't remember.
What's up, Juju?
Did you give them Moontunk's number?
No.
Do you know what Moontunk's number is?
No.
Of course not.
Did you know what Moontunk's number was at the time?
No.
Do you remember talking to them about Moontunk's number? And by them, I mean Detectives Gaither and Dennis in the August 5th, 2015 interview.
They had already knew Moontunk number. I never gave them Moontunk number.
So you didn't confirm or deny it?
I don't know. I know they had already knew it.
So the number that they had for Moontunk is one that you knew was Moontunk's number?
Can we move
I was
on?
calling her, they called his
Jeez,
phone.
man.
That's not the question. Could you please answer? It'll get you there faster.
I know
the
that's
number
right,
that they
Joshua.
told you they had for
I don't remember them
Moontunk.
telling me about no Moontunk number.
Did you know that they had Moontunk's number?
I don't know. Did I know that they had? Yeah, I knew they had.
Yes. And did you try to convince the police that the only way you knew the details of April 28th was that Demikion had told you?
I don't know.
Did Detective Gaither, did you tell her that you were going to go down there and be honest, just be honest about things?
Ain't never been honest a day of my life.
Did you tell her that that's what you were going to do?
I don't know.
Did you have Summer or anybody else tell Detective Gaither you were going to be honest?
No.
Just you need to come down there and talk to, they needed to come talk to you.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Did you tell Detective Gaither that you
Uh-oh.
were being honest about how you knew about April 28th?
I don't know.
Did you promise Detective Gaither you were not there on April 28th?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Did Detective Gaither
Volume slow.
get up or get ready to leave when you promised her
Should
you
be.
weren't there?
Objection 403.
Sustained.
Your Honor,
How long is Judge Whitaker gonna let this go on until she just tells her she's got to finish this up? Because she's just going line by line,
when
like
you
he
promised her
said,
you weren't there.
Objection 403.
like Weinstein said.
Sustained.
I'll leave it.
Your Honor, may I ask?
No, I mean, I don't know. You may ask a different question.
After you promised Detective Gaither
said,
you weren't
"Nope."
there, did you ask Detective Gaither and Dennis if they wanted to talk about some other cases?
I don't know.
Now, did you believe you needed to talk about your case before you got to the other cases?
What?
Sustained.
What is she even asking?
Would Detective Dennis and Gaither talk to you about any other cases before talking to you about yours? And Your Honor, if there's a relevance objection, I do have a response. If I need to go to the bench, I will.
I guess you're gonna need to come to the bench.
Oh my gosh, this is the kind of day it's gonna be. Lord have mercy. Just Whitaker, just shut it down.
After Detective Gaither told you you had to tell her about your stuff, did you tell her something different than what you had told her previously?
I don't remember.
Okay. Let me ask you this.
He don't remember.
Were you, Montun, Shannon, Tay, Tradon, and Demikion the ones that actually shot up the houses?
No, I did.
All right. By yourself?
Me and God,
You and Garlington?
yes,
How many guns y'all have?
a lot.
How
What does
many
that
guns
mean?
you got? A
I
lot.
don't remember.
Okay. Then how do you remember it was a lot?
I know it.
Okay. Are you saying Garlington, because you know Garlington's now convicted of that too?
What?
Are you saying Garlington because you know Garlington now has been convicted of that too, so no more harm can come to him?
No, I'm just telling the truth.
Okay.